Good morning, good morning, good morning. On Thursday, the 6th of 6th, is the 6th of June, 2024. Yesterday's analysis was a great success. Look at this. Look at this. We were looking for buys above 23.42 over here. We got our buys. Very nice. Push to take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, broke even above the daily resistance. And we went all the way up to even the point that we had said we are not going to mark them, but we should have marked them actually. We went above this point, and now we are looking for continuation now to go to the top side. Okay, so right now the market is doing a bit of retracement. We will see when you do analysis to see where the market is headed to. But if you took this trade, congratulations to everybody that took this trade yesterday. When we were doing this trade, the market was here. That's why we were writing a no trade range. And you see, we said we're going to only buy above this line over here. Potential buys above 23.42. And we got the buys above this point, went all the way up, and up, right? So yesterday was a successful day. Great, congratulations to everybody that took the trade. Let's see today what we have in terms of fundamentals. We have 315, that's the euro, the CAD. We have the unemployment claims on the USD. We have the unemployment claims on the USD over here. The rest are really not really high impact. They are low impact news. We have the ECB press conference, which really doesn't affect the dollar as much. So only the unemployment claims at 330. And that's a weekly report, so it really doesn't have that much of a of weight than like the JOLTS or the ADP. Yesterday we had the ADP. All right, so let's get straight to analysis and see what today has for us. It's on a very wonderful morning, Thursday morning, feeling fresh. Let's see what we got or what we're going to be measuring on this wonderful day. Up back to monthly. Our monthly candle is still doing great things, like we had said. It's retracing. It's trying to fill. You can look at this. It's trying to fill the May candle. It's filling up the May candle's wick. All right. So for swing traders, basically, if you're a swing trader, or if you can hold the market for the trade for weeks to a month, you could have taken that buy from this point, stop loss just below this May candle, and take profit above over here, and it will go. All right. All right, there we go. Get to name these. Let's name these. This is monthly resistance. Sorry, no. Okay, great. Started afresh again. Get out of here. Monthly, sorry, monthly resistance. Monthly support. These ones don't change until the market breaks the structure. That's when it's going to change. So as far as we're concerned in the monthly, we are very bullish. This is the weekly. This is the weekly. As far as the long term, gold is very bullish as far as the long term is concerned. Weekly support over here. We had the daily resistance over here, and seems to have been broken, but still we can't really say it's broken until this daily candle closes above that line over there. All right, so we'll just name it as a daily resistance. So if this candle, today's candle closes like that, then the next candle probably may fill up this area. The next candle and the next candle probably next, which is Friday maybe, or Friday and Monday may take us back to this point. May, keyword may. I'm not saying it will, it may. Daily support over here. We go to 4 hours. See the way, look at this. This is amazing. Look at this, how this candle is closing. Closed very well above this line. But to be honest, I would like it to close above this. Would have liked it to close above this wick. So I'll still have to wait for the next candle too. do its thing and push. All right, so this is still it's still a resistance. It's still a resistance right here now. It's a daily resistance, but on the other side, it's a support, right? So we have the H4 support over here, working over here. So this will be the new H4 support, because now that's where the price is above it, but it's not really confirmed. Let me not name it because it's not yeah, sorry. Yeah, we need to see how this candle closes though. We need to see how that candle closes. So this one, yes, I know what I'm going to do. This one, I'm really going to work with it as a line because it's already violated, but it's not yet confirmed on the daily. All right. So now if you're working with something else, then we'll be talking about looking at the weekly or the current market, where the current market is, and we can talk about probably this being the low on H4 and this being the high on H4. I don't know. Do you notice what we've done over there? We've just decided to focus on the action at the moment. So H4 resistance. This is the new H4 resistance. There's the high of H4 support over here, down over here. All right. So below that, because this is the lowest point. If the market is to come down, it has to come down to this point. If the market is to go up, it has to break above this point. All right. So we go to 1 hour. Having it like that makes it a bit easier. But I've left this line over here just so that we can know when the market closes above in daily, at least we will be knowing that the market is above the daily resistance. So at the moment, what we have in 1 hour is we have a high over here. We have a high formation over here. I'll put it on the bodies and then we have, of course, a low formation over here. Again, I put it on the bodies. And that is where the current price is as of now, yeah? Something like that. If I expand it, you'll see it makes sense. Yep, like that. So that's where we are right now. So we want this one to be, this is the H1 resistance, H1 support, like that. Go to 30 minutes to find an entry. There we go. So we're going to buy above that, sell below this, like that. Simple. Okay. So potential buys. Potential buys, sorry. Potential buys above 2371. 2371. We want it to come down to this point. We want it to come down to this point so that we can go to take profit 1 over here. And then we go to take profit 2 up over here. Then we have an ultimate TP up there as well, yeah? So, yeah. Like that. So we're going to put the long position. Yes, potential buys above that point. Yeah, let's go up to this point. No worries. So we can do TP1, TP2, TP3 over there. Stop loss, I'll put it just below that point. All right, if you're doing sales, want sales below this week. So potential sales. We want them below this week, and this week is at 2365. 2365. 65, not 56, 65. 2365. We get something going below 2365. This is going to be awesome for us. Probably we may get a little bit of a tick P over here because of the daily thing, but then this is the TP2 over here where the money will be. Should we break down that point, we will need to come here and definitely retrace back to these points again. Should we need to? Should the market need to come down? So short position, take it from there. Stop loss just above that area, the H1 support, and over here. TP1, TP2. Great. So that's the view for today. Buys above 23.71, pushing above, sells below 23.64. And let's keep an eye on that and see how the market will behave today. All right. Be very careful. Wait for the break candle to break these lines and close below so that you can take an order. Don't just jump when the wick is there. All right. Again, have a good day. Risk manage your trades very well. Always trade what you see and not what you think. All right. Bye-bye, guys.